Want to hear the incredible story of your very first 24 hours on Earth? It all starts with a battle you won before you were even born. Every single human life begins within this exact magical 24-hour window. The moment a single victorious sperm penetrates the egg, an instant biological shield activates. This chemical reaction, called the cortical reaction, hardens the outer layer to lock all other sperm out forever. Inside, the sperm's tail drops off, sending its precious cargo straight toward the center. At this stage, both mom's and dad's genetic materials are stored in two tiny glowing spheres called pronuclei. Over the next 12 hours, a mysterious molecular force pulls these two pronuclei together. Each carries 23 chromosomes, and the ultimate merge is about to happen. Between hours 15 and 18, their protective walls dissolve in a process called Syngamy. Boom! In this exact split second, your gender, eye color, height, and personality traits are permanently locked in. The egg is no longer just an egg, it has officially become a zygote, the ultimate single cell that will build your entire body. But it doesn't stay quiet for long. Within 20 hours, mitosis kicks into high gear. All 46 chromosomes align down the middle and get pulled to opposite sides. The cell membrane pinches inward, and right at the 24-hour mark, that single zygote splits into two identical cells called blastomeres. Your journey of multiplication has officially begun. If you love unlocking the amazing secrets of human life, hit that subscribe button and follow MedLifeLink right now. But the story is just getting started. In our next episode, we'll show you how the zygote starts dividing into 4, 8, and a full Morula stage. Don't miss it, stay tuned to MedLifeLink.